What if I told you that nut butter was the superfood that you never knew you needed? Would you believe me? Maybe not. But in this video, I'm going to show you just how good nut butter is for you and why it deserves a place in your fridge. So stick around until the end of the video, because by then you'll learn all about the incredible benefits of nut butter. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the latest health and wellness tips so you can live your healthiest life. And today, we're talking about nut butter. Now, nut butter has become really popular recently as a healthy alternative to traditional butter and spreads. And for good reason. It's versatile, delicious, and offers a ton of nutritional benefits. But let's face it, some people still have a negative perception of nut butter because it's high in calories and fat. And I get it. We've all been told that fats and calories are bad for us and can lead to weight gain and obesity. But not all fats are created equal, and not all calories will have the same effect on our bodies. So let me put your mind at ease. Nut butter contains healthy, unsaturated fats that can actually benefit your heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. In fact, studies have shown that consuming nut butter in moderation can reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. And yes, it is calorie dense, but it's also very filling. So you don't need a lot of it to satisfy your hunger. There are many different types of nut butter, including peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, and Brazil nut butter, each with its own unique flavor and texture. And don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging later in this video. I'm going to share some delicious recipes and serving suggestions so you can start enjoying nut butter in no time. But first, let me tell you about the surprising secret that makes nut butter a superfood. You see, nut butter is not only low in saturated fat and a good source of healthy fats, it's also packed with an impressive amount of protein and fiber. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, for example, contains around 8 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. That's a lot of nutrition in just one serving. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Fiber, on the other hand, is crucial for maintaining healthy digestion and blood sugar levels. And when it comes to vitamins and minerals, nut butter is a great source of vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, and selenium. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Magnesium and potassium are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, while selenium plays a vital role in thyroid function and metabolism. And here's the best part. Unlike many other foods, nut butter does not contain any cholesterol. Yeah, you heard that right. Nut butter is a cholesterol-free, high-protein, high-fiber, healthy fat superfood. With all these amazing benefits, it's no wonder why nut butter has gained so much popularity in recent years. But before we wrap up, let's take a closer look at some of the different types of nut butter and how they can fit into a balanced diet. Peanut butter is a popular choice and a good source of protein and fiber. Almond butter is high in healthy fats and vitamin E, while cashew butter is known for its creamy texture and rich flavor. Brazil nut butter is a lesser-known option that's high in selenium and other essential nutrients. Now, as I promised, I've got some delicious recipes and serving suggestions for you. Try spreading nut butter on whole grain bread or crackers for a quick snack or meal. Mix it with yogurt or oatmeal for added protein and fiber. Or use it as a dip for fruits and vegetables. For a healthier twist, try making your own nut butter at home using unsalted nuts and seeds. It's easy to do, and you can control the consistency by adding a little oil or water. And there you have it, folks. Nut butter is a nutritious and versatile superfood that can be enjoyed in many different ways. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack or meal option, reach for a jar of nut butter and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts on nut butter? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more videos on healthy eating and superfoods, check out our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and happy.